Sedal Co-Creations will assist you in restoring your hair from the first use. Provides excellent resistance to breakage. Gentle enough to use it every day on any hair type. Sedal Instant Restoration Shampoo will clean your hair while revitalizing the scalp. As you wash your scalp, you will unclog follicles and start growing up healthy hair. New Sedal Shampoo enriched with calcium and keratin removes build-up residues, leaving your hair ready for the next adventure. Our formula with keratin penetrates the hair fiber to help repair your hair from the inside. In addition, continuous use allows the keratin to increase its elasticity, leaving it silky. Sedal Instant Restoration will restore your natural hair vitality so that your hair regains the nutrients it has lost over time. Damaged hair has salvation. Sedal Co-Creation Instant Restoration has several lines of products for you. They are developed with fortifying active ingredients in the formula. It's a safe bet. We know many adventures in life end up having effects on our hair. Luckily, restoring it is now much easier. Our formula was co-created with Thomas Taw, an expert in hair damage and hydration from London. Using our shampoo, you will feel free to touch your hair, play with it, or manipulate it without fearing repercussions. Our shampoo will help you strengthen your hair. Get smoother hair every day. Outside, our life is quite hectic in the real world, and we need our hair to be beautiful and stay that way despite all the challenges we face. Here is where Sedal appears. Hydration is the key when you are looking for silky hair. Simple, vibrant, full of scents, Sedal is present in every step we take. Gently clean your hair and wrap its fibers softly, with its formula with keratin by Sedal Shampoo. We can celebrate each challenge with repaired, protected, healthy, and well-groomed hair in a vibrant and ever-changing world. With decades of experience in each of our products, you can count on us to accomplish this task's goal. Top reviews from the United States. Amazing product. You feel your hair silky, wavy.